I'm almost done. I'm just
speak louder.
I'm touching up with the little brush around like the outlets and the borders and then things like that. I have to get to
the question everybody wants to know is, did you get more paint on you than on the walls?
Well, I didn't get any on my hair.
Well, let me see your face.
I might got it on my face, but I don't got it on my hair, Louis. The
Let
thing
me
is
see your mouth.
to get it off the hair is hard. Did I get paint on my...
Did you get white lipstick?
Did I put paint on my one?
You have nothing on your mouth.
I don't know.
It's all good.
Okay, good thing.
Looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming.
Louis is gonna put the wood here for the toilet. This is what we're doing. We're going to be filling that hole up today, and we're going to be putting in the wood here. So this is going to be maybe day 5 that we're working on the Airstream. I have done nothing else. This has been my world pretty much for a whole week, and I want to get this done. And we also have to make the bed, so that's another big thing, is the bed that we have to make for Christian. But it's coming along. It looks really nice. I'm really glad that I painted it white. And after all the painting touch-ups were done, we started tackling the floor. The bathroom floor around the toilet was rotten, so Louis replaced the wood there. Then we were ready to install the floor. We had found at Ollie's on sale a floor that I was instantly attracted to for the price and color, which they claimed was also 100% waterproof. All right, so with this floor, you make the lines, you mark where you're going to cut, right?
Right.
And then you score it with the blade, and then you just snap it.
Right. I want to mark this a little bit here. I want to mark this on the other side slightly. I want to score
on the other side. This has
I don't have to score on the other side.
This has like a waterproof underlayment, supposedly.
Right. Well, the reason I want to cut this side is so that this underlayment comes out clean.
Right. You're gonna score it.
Just score it just so this foam comes out clean. Otherwise, it comes out in pieces.
Oh, okay.
That's it. There you go. Okay. Yep.
Perfect, Louis.
Well, I gotta put this in here. If I
You gotta go under the other one, right?
Oh, there. I got.
Well, we have the trim piece too.
I have to cut. I gotta cut a little bit more here.
To get it to go in a little bit.
A little more there and a little more here.
The floor I chose was easy to cut, but it was a painstaking process of cutting around the cabinets. Because my floor is a floating floor that locks into each other without adhesive, Louis put in some temporary screws at the end in order to keep the floor locked in place. So you're talking about those little nails?
Yeah, everything is temporary until the floor is done. So when I push against stuff, it's not moving.
Right.
But here, one there.
My face dirty. I've been in the garden, Louis. So my
Your face is not dirty. Let me see your hands. They're not dirty either.
I had gloves on too.
How do you like your floor?
Oh my God, it looks beautiful. Wow, Louis, you did an amazing job. It looks
Not done yet.
Thank you, Louis. Looks
You're
awesome. It's nice with the silver. And then you see the floor like that. It's like that silver color and it just looks so nice. I'm so glad I chose that. Wow. That looks so amazing. To give the floors a finished look, we purchased molding to glue along the edges where the wall and the floor meet. In order to get the wood to turn with the rounded corners of an Airstream, Louis notched sections on the rear of the molding to make it more flexible to bend and curve along the wall. Louis is cutting now the little molding pieces for the Airstream. We bought the gray one. And look how nice it's coming out. He's doing it all by hand. Put the caulking in later. And it's looking really good. Is that wood or plastic?
This is like, this is not plastic and it's not wood. It's like a composite.
Oh, okay. Because I see you cutting it with this knife.
Yeah, it's soft.
It's forgiving.
Yeah. This is not really meant for this. This is meant to go up higher on the ceiling.
Yeah, it's like a crown molding.
Yeah.
But we're using it for this because there's nothing that we found that we can fit there to finish everything off, and we wanted something small. And it looks good. Looks very good. Okay, I just want to talk about this vinyl wall base that is sold at Home Depot and Lowe's. And I used this when I redid the floor in my first RV, which was a Class C. I used this product after I put in the new flooring. It's very flexible. It's mostly used for commercial applications, but I thought it was a great product. I was able to cut it in half, so it wasn't 4 inches high, and it was about 2 inches when I used it. I had spoken to Louis about getting it. It comes in several colors, but he didn't want to go with that product, so we ended up using the wood type molding, and I gotta tell you, the wood type molding takes a long time to do, so think carefully before you do something. All right, we're on our way to IKEA in Orlando because it's the only IKEA near us, and we are gonna go shopping, and Louis needs a new fan battery because his battery went.
And I'm going to try to get a new mattress because the one I got last year from Walmart, it's too hard for me, too firm.
And since we're going to IKEA for that, I'm going to look for some accessories for the Airstream that I need. The only IKEA in Orlando.
In a quarter mile.
All right, we're here. There's a frock.
You want this frock, lady?
It used to be called the Frockin'. They changed the name of it. Go, Louis, go.
You want to ride?
Well, Louis, I was hoping you were going to say that.
Oh, I want to see you ride. I'm filming here. Watch the car. Go, lady. The other foot. Put the left foot. Stay there! Stay there! Stay there! Stay there! Stay there! Go! Stay there, Leah! Don't give them off!
Louis, don't push me like that! You almost broke my leg!
How?
Because my leg was going this way, the other one was going the other way.
Because you look, it's so easy. Look like this.
I don't know how. I'm going to give this my stress relief spray. Get it right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share it, and please subscribe. Hey guys, don't forget to pick up your pet emergency sticker for your RV. The link is in the description box below.